Hello, my name is Nicolo and today I'll be showing you how to make a strapping word origami. Now all you need is a square shaped paper, but you can use origami paper if you want to. Now all you gotta do is fold it into a triangle and make a crease. Since you open it, you can see there's a line. Now turn it over and fold it and make a crease. And do it on the other side. And make a crease. Now, since you've done it like this, all you gotta do is turn it like this to make a crease in the middle. Now all you gotta do is fold it in the other position like this and do it on the other side. Now, since you've done that, you can see there's a line in the middle. Now all you gotta do is put this part here to the line like this and make a crease. And do it on the other side and make a crease. Now since if it will be hard for you to do this part, then I'll make it easier for you. Now all you gotta do is you can see this triangle shape in the top. Now all you gotta do is turn this triangle downwards and make a crease. Now since you done that, open up this part here and lift it up. Now since you're lifting it up, you can see there are two parts here that are following. Just let them follow and make a crease. And do it on the other side. And do it on the other side. Alright, when you finish it, it will look like this. Now, to form it into a crane, you can see there are two parts here. All you gotta do is lift one up and push it down. And make sure it will look like this. And do it and make the head. Push it downwards. And there. And now for the tail. All you gotta is do it on the same that you did in the head. But all you gotta is leave a little extra space here and make a crease. And there, you've done it. You made your flapping bird. Thank you for watching.